Honestly, agitated as all get out because I had a whole bunch of technical issues. And they won't be remedied fully until tomorrow. But for right now, I have enough um, of what I need. So now, what were the tech issues? Okay, so I basically had a SSD drive fail on me, and then, um, Jesus, the SSD drive. I had a or no, apparently I have a SSD drive that has failed, and then I had another one that started failing. So now I'm just kind of in a position of trying to get. Oh, they can come right over. Of course they can. Hang on. Um. So there, I kind of just like got myself into a corner to where now I had to order another SSD drive, except this one's going to be an NVMe. And once I get that one, I will transfer all of my data on my current SSD drives to that. So I got a 4 terabyte, and it was like $420. So I guess it's not too bad overall, especially for 4 terabytes.